Joint exercises between the Army and the Air Force can take months to organize and plan. That's how long it took to set up last Saturday's medical exercise held at K-16 south of Seoul in Osan's tent city. In actuality, it was a series of medical exercises falling under one large scenario. The 43rd Mobile Army Surgical Hospital, or MASH unit from Camp Humphreys, is designed to support the 2nd Infantry Division as it moves across the peninsula. Their scenario Saturday included receiving 20 war casualties from the field just as the unit receives orders to relocate. Their new fallback position, Osan Air Base. Osan's 51st Medical Group, while set up and ready to receive the Army, chose to simulate having problems with their permanent facility, requiring them to set up and move into their ATH.
An ATH, behind me, is an air transportable hospital. This particular hospital can expand up to 50 beds, have 2 surgical ORs, has an X-ray unit with it, a surgical general supply unit which can clean instruments.
After the Army's professional team arrived, a C-130 from K-16 touched down carrying the wounded. As the patients were pulled from the aircraft, doctors evaluated those needing immediate care from those with superficial wounds. It helped determine who received priority movement to the ATH. As the bus arrived at the ATH, Army and Air Force medical crews working elbow to elbow took care of the wounded. Each patient went through the receiving tent for processing and further evaluation, then on to other specialized areas such as the operating room and X-ray departments. Still others that were stabilized went into holding areas. For the most part, everything went off without a hitch.
Well, it was something that hasn't been done for a long, long time if it was ever done before, and we have certainly got an opportunity to work together and to learn how the different meshing of the Army and the Air Force. So from that position, it was definitely a positive experience.
Even though it takes a long time to plan joint exercises, they will be held more often.
We are progressing more and more toward jointness in our operations, and that's probably more true in medicine than in the other areas of the military.
This exercise gave both services the opportunity to familiarize themselves with each other's procedures. It also gave the Air Force the chance to set up, organize, and work the bugs out of its air transportable hospital. From Osan, I'm Sergeant J.D. Harrington, AFKN News.